Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk with Nigil. Here with me Nigil, your English speaking guide. Today we are going to learn a very useful and common tense in English, the simple past tense. Let's get started. What is simple past tense? We use the simple past tense to talk about actions that happen in the past, actions that are already completed. Example, I watched a movie yesterday. The action is finished. It happened in the past. How to form it? For regular verbs, we add ed to the verb. For irregular verbs, the verb changes completely. Example, regular verb, play, played. I played cricket. Irregular verb, example, go, went. I went to school. Structure, affirmative sentence, subject plus V2 plus past form of verb, V2 or past form of verb plus object. Example, she visited the doctor. Negative sentence, subject plus did not plus base verb plus object. Example, she did not visit the doctor. Question sentence, did plus subject plus base verb plus object. Example, did she visit the doctor? Now let's move to practice sentences. Affirmative sentences. I watched a movie. He cleaned his room. She cooked rice. We played football. They visited the zoo. I went to the park. He read a book. She sang a song. We walked home. They ate mangoes. Negative sentences. He did not play well. I did not go to the party. She did not call me. We did not eat lunch. They did not help us. Questions. Did you meet him? Did she dance at the event? Did they buy vegetables? Did he study yesterday? Did we reach on time? With time expressions. I traveled last week. She went to the hospital yesterday. He stayed at home all day. They visited us 2 days ago. We walked for an hour. Regular verbs. I opened the window. She painted a picture. He laughed at the joke. They played games. We jumped into the pool. Irregular verbs. I ate a banana. She took a photo. He drove a car. They drank milk. We spoke English. Daily routine. In past, I brushed my teeth. He washed his face. She made coffee. They cleaned the room. We locked the door. More useful examples. He lost his keys. I forgot my bag. She bought a new dress. They found puppy. We celebrated his birthday. Using was and were. I was at the mall. She was tired. He was happy. They were hungry. We were ready. Now we have seen so many examples. So pause the video and practice those examples and use it. Now you know how to use the simple past tense correctly. Practice these 50 sentences and try to make your own. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. If you liked this video, like, share and subscribe to Talk with Nigil. See you in the next class. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.